What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory, well, more like my car, where safety is still #1 priority. And today we're going to put to the test McDonald's gadgets. Some of them pretty vintage, some of them a lot newer, but still, they were limited edition, they don't make them anymore. So I got most of them from eBay, and they all finally here, so let's see what I got. For the first gadget, this is a pretty new one, this straw. This is a straw for the milkshake. You know, when you drink out of a regular straw like this, usually they get clogged up and it's really hard to drink frozen milkshake. I bought my milkshake about 10 minutes ago. Woo! Sorry about that. But, so it's pretty frozen. Probably will be a lot easier to drink it. But sometimes when you just buy it, it is clogs up because it's like frozen ice cream. It's really still, after 10 minutes, even though it's melted a lot, it's really hard to suck it in. You see how thick that is? It just gets so clogged up. It's just like eating ice cream through a straw. I probably don't have to tell you all how frustrating it can be. This is why McDonald's invented this limited edition, this straw. You see what it looks like? It has this U-shape and 2 holes on the top. So let's see if it actually works. Actually there's 3 holes. Let's open this up. I saw commercials of it and I wish I got it long time ago, put it to the test, but it's okay. Now we have a list of whole bunch of different McDonald's gadgets. So there you go, it opens like that. I'm gonna save the packaging because it's pretty collectible. Boom. Very cool packaging for just one straw, don't you think? It's made from plastic. I wish it was made from metal or something like stainless steel. That'd be much more durable and would last a lot longer. But check this out, we actually have a lot more holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 holes bigger, and 5. Ooh, look at that, there's a 5th hole right here. I mean 6th hole right here. So that's supposed to make drinking milkshake or smoothie or like whole bunch of different stuff a lot easier. Look, you kind of have to push it through like that. Let's see. You know what? I don't see much difference. If anything, this straw a lot thicker. Although it's pretty cool design and you think it should work well, actually it's a lot easier to use the regular straw because it's a little bit thicker. But one big advantage this straw has is that it has like multiple holes, different sizes. So if there is like a little clog, like a little bowl of ice cream that hasn't been melted, it will clog up the regular straw, but this one will not. But at the end of the day, this straw is thicker, so a lot more milkshake going through to this regular straw. For the next McDonald's gadget, this right here is pretty vintage car tray, and I wish they would still make them because this is genius. Look how cool this is. You put your Big Mac or whatever in here. This looks like for your fries, and right here for the drink. And then you would ask, well, how do you hang it? Where do you put it in your car? Well, this is genius part. Most of you probably like me and everybody are eating your McDonald's inside of a car. Maybe you're on a road trip, you wanna get some fast food so you don't have to stop at the restaurant for a long time. You just want a quick little snack. So this would be perfect to have it in your car, especially in the passenger seats, anywhere honestly. But this is how it works. Right here, it goes into the window like this. And you push it in. Boom! Check this out. This is probably going to be a thumbnail because this is mind-blowing. Now let's see if the drink still fits. Yep. The drink still fits. This is a medium drink. Smaller probably would fit even easier, and the bigger probably will just stick up a lot higher. But that's awesome. Then we got our sandwich or whatever you got, burger. Oh, it's a little thicker. The box a little bigger than it used to be. It doesn't necessarily fit the best way. So you could probably take it out from your box and put it in there. That's fine too. And of course we got here the fries. Let's see. Oh man, I got the large. Large don't really fit as well. So as you can see, the large McDonald's fries don't fit exactly, but this could fit. I don't think it will fall out. So next time maybe get yourself medium fries with this tray, or the small ones would probably fit easily. It's almost fits. It's like so close, just few millimeters, not enough. I don't want to destroy the box, but boom, this is how it's going to look like. How cool is that, isn't it? So you can grab yourself a drink it and stick it back in, and it's not in the way. And now you can grab yourself a sandwich, put it back in easily, don't have to worry about your sandwich. Probably should use this gadget when you're sitting around, so that way you're not distracting and driving. Quick test of this little tray, gotta put a straw in it. Look, I don't even have to take it out. Let's make a little bite. Very comfortable, and my hands are free, and I don't have to hold all this food on my laps and drop it and spill it all. I like it a lot. And of course my fries. For the next gadget we got here, French fries holder. There is a McDonald's logo on it, French fries, isn't cool? I just opened it and it was original sealed package, but the camera wasn't recording, oh well. Well, first of all, there is a cup holder for your fries. This one is huge, so it probably will actually fit our large fries. Let's try it out. Yep, it fit even the large McDonald's fries. Perfect. Okay, what else we got here? We got here instruction, how to use it, obviously. Boom, you just stick it into your cup holder on your car. This is a little ketchup holder or any kind of sauce that you like. This is genius. Let's see what it looks like when we put it together. So looks like, how do we do this? So you put it right here on the bottom, you slide it in, boom. Oops, too much. By the way guys, this video is not sponsored by McDonald's. They owe me money for this shout out, for this video. But there you go, we got some ketchup. We're gonna put it in a ketchup holder. Whoa, perfect. It actually holds perfectly one packet of ketchup in this little thing. So now let's try to put it into the cup holder. Boom. Also, this works like adjustment. You can make it bigger or smaller. My cup holders are huge in my SUV, so it kind of makes it a little bit wobbly because my cup holders are so big. But as you can see, it works. Boom. Check this out. Now we're going to put our French fries in. Perfect. Look at that. Now I can just grab a French fries, dip it into my ketchup, don't spill it. I don't know, maybe you're not supposed to put ketchup in here. Maybe it's just the life hack I just did. Anyway, there you go. And for the next McDonald's gadget right here, this is fork. Is that how it's spelled? F-L-O-R-K, fork. Uselessly useful. This is funny. I think they made this gadget for fun, to get some exposure, make it viral video out of it. So this is pretty much what we're doing for them anyways. There you go. This is the fork. I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's a French fries fork. As you can see, there's McDonald's logos all over it. There's a little card how to use it. French fries into here, and then you dip it in the ketchup and eat it. Got here my French fries. Of course, you got push this like this. Boom, 1, 2, and 3. Boom. And we got ourselves McDonald's fork. How cool is that? So then we'll need a ketchup. We'll probably put ketchup on this tray real quick, just to test it out. We got ourselves the fork, I guess French fries fork. That way you can dip all your French fries without messing up your hands, I guess. Make a bite, dip it again. Pretty cool. Man, this is the funnest video I have done in a while. And one more thing that they have made is probably cool for the collectors. I know some people are collecting McDonald's stuff, but check this out. This is, you know, this coffee stirrers. It's a mini spoon and they made it like a McDonald's. Just wanted to put it into the list. Maybe some people will like it. or bring in some nostalgia. For this gadget I had to include it because look at the McDonald's logo. I never seen anything like that, and I thought it probably will bring some nostalgia to some people. Boom, you got here McDonald's logo. There's a cool McDonald's cheeseburger officer or something, and then a glass right here. I guess you put your drink into here, just like that, and then put your sandwich like this, and that way you can hold it, and this side here is perfect place for your glass. You can also put a plastic glass and it works as well. I like it a lot. I wish they were still making trays like that, not those big trays. This is much more comfortable to carry with one hand. I'm probably gonna use it around in my house. Well guys, that's pretty much it. This is all the McDonald's gadgets I could find on eBay. I'm sure there is a lot more, but this is what I found and that what was available. So hopefully enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, and also let me know in comments below which McDonald's gadget was your favorite. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.